Hi children, how are you? I hope all are fine. My name is Sirisha. I am your 4th class English teacher. Okay children, now I ask some questions. Okay, when do we wake up children? Yes, we all wake up in the morning. Next one. At what time do you get up children in these holidays? At what time do you get up children in these holidays? Okay, some of you wake up at 6 a.m., some of you wake up at 7 a.m., some of you wake up at 10 a.m. also because some are very lazy. Okay, what do you do after you wake up, children? Oh, yes, brush your teeth, take a bath, dress up, drink milk, eat breakfast, etc. Okay, children, what do you see after you wake up? Yes, you see the beautiful sun rising, blooming flowers, chirping birds, running animals, flying birds. You see our beautiful nature, and you can listen the crowing sound also. This crowing sound is considered to be a natural alarm in our olden days. It was an indication for every creature to get up and start that day. Okay, children? For example, if you don't get up early in the morning, then you miss all these beautiful things. Correct, children? Why do we miss? Some children are very lazy. They don't get up early in the morning. Every morning, their mother says like this: children, get up. Dear, get up. Wake up early. Otherwise, you will miss your school bus. Some children are very good. They get up early in the morning. They finish their daily activities. They complete their homework. They help their parents. So, children who wake up early in the morning, they will have good health and they are very happy. Now let us enjoy learning the poem Wake Up. So our poem is: wake up, wake up, it's a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. The birds are singing in the trees, and you can hear the buzzing bees. The birds are singing in the trees, and you can hear the buzzing bees. Wake up, wake up, it's a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. Wake up, wake up. It's a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. It's much too late to lie in bed. So hurry up, you sleepy head. It's much too late to lie in bed. So hurry up, you sleepy head. Wake up, wake up. It's a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. Wash and dress and come on out. Everyone is up and about. The cow, the horses, the ducks, and the sheep. The cow, the horses, the ducks, and the sheep. The tiniest chicken. Cheep, cheep, cheep. Wake up. Okay, children. This is our beautiful poem. Okay, children. So, our first stanza is wake up, wake up. It's a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. The birds are singing in the trees, and you can hear the buzzing bees. The birds are singing in the trees, and you can hear the buzzing bees. Okay, children, this is our first stanza. So, explanation of the first stanza is the poet is asking the children to wake up and enjoy the lovely day. Enjoy the lovely day. Here, lovely means beautiful. Generally, we say that a rose is a beautiful flower, a girl is so beautiful. Okay, children. So, lovely means beautiful. And the poet says that children wake up early and come out to play. Enjoy your beautiful day and listening the sounds made by different birds on the trees, and you can hear the buzzing sound made by bees, and also the enjoy the beauty of nature. That means enjoy the beautiful sun rising, chirping birds, blooming flowers, running animals. Okay, children. So enjoy all these are. So hear the buzzing sounds, birds singing, because our nature contains many beauties. So the poet, total summary of the poem is enjoy your beautiful day. Wake up early. Okay, go out to play. Enjoy your beautiful day. Listen the different sounds made by different types of birds in the trees, and hear the buzzing sound made by bees. Children, here you carefully listen the buzzing sound. Okay, children. Okay, children, are you enjoying? So you identify buzzing sound or not? So buzzing sound means making a low continuous humming sound. Okay, children. So our next second stanza. Wake up, wake up. It's a lovely day. Oh, please get up and come and play. It's much too late to lie in bed. So hurry up, you sleepy head. It's much too late to lie in bed. So hurry up, you sleepy head. Wake up, wake up. It's a lovely day. Okay, children, this is our second stanza. So, explanation of the second stanza is it is already very late. So, don't lie in bed any more, sleepy head. So don't lie in bed any more sleepyhead. Here sleepyhead means lazy children. Sleepyhead means lazy children. Some children are very lazy. They don't get up early in the morning. So wake up. Hurry up. Don't be lazy. Don't oversleep. Okay, don't oversleep. Wake up and come out to play. Enjoy your beautiful day. This is the summary of the second stanza. Okay, our next one, third stanza is wash and dress and come on out. Everyone is up and about. The cow, the horses, the ducks, and the sheep. The cow, the horses, the ducks, and the sheep. The tiniest chicken, cheep, cheep, cheep. Wake up. Okay, children. This is our third stanza. Explanation of the third stanza is, children, wake up, brush your teeth, take a bath, dress up, and come out. Okay, come out. Everyone woke up and started their work. All the animals like cow, horses, ducks, and sheep all woke up. The sun also woke up. So children must and should wake up early in the morning. Enjoy your beautiful day. Okay, children. So the cow, the horses, the ducks, and the sheep, tiniest chicken. So all are awake. Children, here some animal sounds are playing. Identify which animal makes that sounds. Okay, children, and enjoy it. Okay. Okay, children, you identify these sounds or not? Okay. What is that first sound? First sound is a cow sound, that means lowing sound. Okay, lowing sound made by cow. Second one, so second one is neighing. Okay, neighing, it made by horses. What is that, our third one? Quacking, quack quack quack. Okay, so it is made by ducks. Okay, last and final one is bleating. So it is made by sheeps. Okay, children, are you enjoying these sounds? Okay, so total our summary of the poem is early to bed and early to rise. Okay, children, early to bed and early to rise. Then you will have good health and good wisdom, and also you are very happy. So tomorrow onwards, please get up early in the morning. Finish your regular activities and help your parents. Okay, okay, children. Okay, so our poet is Slee Fletcher. Okay, children, our poet is Slee Fletcher. Okay, children, this is our wake up, our beautiful poem wake up. Okay, children, stay home, stay safe, take care, bye.